So once you've opened up Canva, you're going to go to the left side, then select templates. Now under the heading where it says browse by category, look for something which says websites. So there's doc, whiteboard, then websites. And you're going to choose your own templates. So I'm going to use this one, for example. So once you've selected it, you're going to click on this button where it says customize this template. Now, before you access the navigation bar, you have to go to the bottom right and then select the 4 squares. And it's going to show you the grid view. Now, one thing to keep in mind, if you want a specific image to show up in your navigation bar, you're going to have to change the name of each page. So right now I've created 2 pages. So there's 2, 3. So there's 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to name this one example. And the third one, I'm going to call it example 2. Then once you're done, you are going to go to the squares here at the bottom right again. And then you're going to go to the top, then select preview. After you've selected preview, you're going to go to the bottom and then make sure that this option is checked where it says include navigation menu. And what you'll notice that the pages that we named example, then example 2, then 3 have been included in the navigation menu. And there you go.